In this tutorial, we are building a journey to save new published Instagram post to Google Drive. So let's start. Select Instagram as trigger. Next, choose New Media as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we will select Google Drive. Choose Upload File from URL as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Add file URL and name from Instagram app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Instagram, refresh the page, and you see the image is uploaded. Then go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Go to Google Drive. We can see an image has been uploaded to the Google Drive. In this way, we can build an automation journey to save new published Instagram posts to Google Drive. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.